Straight through the glass, what you notice is the contrast that face us, the shade, the background that face us is more sharp, and then the background behind me, right, is a little more soft, right? And the reason for that is this has to do with, again, physics again, and I call it the relativistic viewpoint deriving from an inertial frame of reference. Vanishing point. Vanishing point is basically a sacred geometric architecture map, basically. It's a map, you know. And this map gives a three-dimensional illusion on a two-dimensional surface. And this three-dimensional depiction is really illustrated not just through these mental disorder. So we are approaching mental disorder or mental diseases or spectrum or chronic disorder from quite a peculiar perspective. We take in a transdisciplinary approach. Transdisciplinary is basically when mutually exclusive disciplines converges, right, to formulate a new conceptual idea, right? Multidisciplinary is when mutually exclusive disciplines converge. Cross-disciplinary studies is when you take an explanatory position of one discipline within the context of another. So we